So welcome to my channel PsychAdmin. In my last video we learned how to restore a virtual machine using Snapshot and how to import and export a virtual machine from one Hyper-V instance to another. In this video we will learn how to install a Windows server and we will learn how to install Active Directory feature on our Windows server. So I won't explain the whole process of creating a virtual machine and installing Windows Server. For that you can refer to one of my video on how to create a virtual machine. The only difference is in that video I used Windows 10 ISO, and in this video I'm going to use Windows Server 2019 ISO. I have pasted the link to download the Server 2019 ISO in the description box. So let's quickly begin our test deployment. Let me launch Hyper-V Manager. I'll go to right click, new, virtual machine, next. I'll just give this a name, NS app underscore. This will be my domain controller. Store this. I don't want this. Okay. Slab underscore DC01. Alright. Click next. Generation 2. Next. I'll give this 1024 is enough for a domain controller. Switch. Next. I'm going to create a new virtual hard disk. I'll give this 60 GB. That's enough. Well, install an operating system. I already have ISO downloaded. Windows Server 2019. Next, finish. Alright, I'll start this. Alright, install now. Okay, I'm going to select 2019 data center evaluation. Next. I accept. Next. Custom. Next. Okay, so this is going to take some time. Let this install. I'll pause the video, and once it is installed, I'll start recording. Alright. Hey guys, so it took about 4 minutes precisely to install Windows Server 2019. So here we are. This is the newly installed Windows Server 2019. The first three things that you need to do is you need to change the computer name, you need to turn off Windows Firewall, and the third thing is you need to give a static IP address to this. So let's go ahead and assign an IP address. CPL. Alright, click on properties and set IPv6. We don't need this. Okay, I'll give this 10.0.10.0.0.1. I do not want the gateway now. Prefer DNS 10.0.0.1. Alright, click on OK. Second is Windows Firewall. You can switch off the Windows Firewall running CMD command prompt. Alright, let's go through this. Okay, CMD net sh alright, net sh adv firewall set all profiles state off. Okay, this will turn off the firewall settings. The last thing is to change the computer name. Let's go to this PC, properties, change settings, computer name, change. Okay, and a slap underscore DC01. Alright, this will require a reboot. Click on yes. Okay. Alright, restart now. Once the machine is restarted, we will go ahead and install Active Directory services. Okay, so I'll sign in with my local admin. Okay, so let's go ahead and start Server Manager. It should start automatically. Cool. Alright, let's go to Manage, add roles and features. Click Next. I want to do role-based configuration. Click Next. I want to install this on the server itself. Click Next. Active Directory domain services, add feature, and nothing else. Let's install DNS server. I'll explain the DNS roles and services in my other video. That's all we need for this one. Click Next. Alright, click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Restart destination server if required, and install. Alright, so the installation was completed. It didn't ask for a reboot, but the next thing we are going to do is we are going to promote this server as a domain controller. So what you can do is the server management is still open. Just go to notification and you'll get this option here, promote the server to domain controller. Click on this, and yeah, this we are going to add a forest and a slab dot local. Okay, forest functional level. Okay, it's still loading. Alright, forest function level, I'll give this 2012 R2 maybe, because if there is a need to install 2012 R2, then this domain controller would be able to communicate with that. I need to give a password for directory services restore mode. Next. Click on next. Should automatically input the NetBIOS domain name. Alright, and a slab, it's fine. Okay, these are the paths where your sysvol and TDS folders and files will be saved. Click on next. We'll just keep it as default. Click on next. And it's checking for prerequisites. Okay. You can ignore these warnings. Those are just warnings. Click on install. Okay, it's gonna take time to install. Alright, so the installation was completed and then it asked for the reboot. Once the machine was rebooted, this is the screen that I get. You can check below, it says sign into NS Lab. So it seems like the machine is added to the domain and this is the first domain controller. So let's try to log in with the administrator account. Administrator. Alright. You can check and verify. Hold on, let this load. Okay, so you can go to tools and verify if you have all these tools installed. You have Active Directory domains and trust, you have Active Directory sites and services, users and computers. Other location where you can check this is go to start, Windows administrative tools, check all the tools you need. It's installed. Alright, so this is how you install Windows Server and ADDC feature on Windows Server. If you want to learn more about Windows Server, please check out my next videos and please make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.